Hey guys, so we're here at the Snap-on booth with Challenger, with Aaron, one of the experts when it comes to all lifts, Challenger. So Aaron, tell us a little bit about the three lifts that I see over here.
Right here, these three lifts, we've got a 10K, a 12K, and our 16K. These are all manufactured here domestically in Louisville, Kentucky. So we'll go into just a couple little things. The 10 and the 12K, we now have a galvanized arm that's available as an upgrade. So what this is really important about is this will keep your arms from rusting. So if you live in a cold weather environment or somewhere that gets salt, a lot of other elements, this is a really nice arm to where you don't have to worry about any rust in the future. So this here, like I said, is our 10K. This is a Versametric. It's got a 3-stage front and rear arm. So if you're doing small passenger vehicles or trucks, you can obviously get out with the lifting capacity or the lifting reach, or you can retract for some of those single rail frames. So if you come over here, you'll see on this arm, this is an offset. Now what's important about that is that's a single arm sweep. So instead of having to jockey cars back and forth, you can pull this in, clear the front tire, come right back in and go up. So it's a big time saver on that. So when we come over here and talk about our CL12, again, you can get the galvanized arm as an upgrade. You've also got your standard yellow arms. You get this in this comes in 3-stage front and rear. Now what's great about all three of these lifts is we have adjustability. So that the cool part is you can order this lift and you don't have to order any. If you want a wide lift, for instance, if you're doing EV vehicles, you don't have to order a separate lift. Our lift comes with one set of cables and we have adjustability at the time of install. So you can set the lift in narrow, standard, or wide. Last lift we're going to talk about a little bit is our CL16. As you can see, this also has a 3-stage front and rear arm, so you can get everything from sprinter vehicles to your 2500 trucks, all the way down to some of the passenger vehicles if they have a decent clearance.
One last thing, I hear the CL12A is an award-winning lift. Tell us a little bit about why it's award-winning and why it's so popular right now.
Well, the CL12, the biggest thing, I go back to the adjustability, and that's really where it became an award-winning lift because it separates itself from the competition. There's no other lift on the market that I can order the lift and decide how I want to install it. If I order anybody else's, I've got to order either a wide lift or a standard lift. So what's cool is right out of the box, Challenger lift gives you all the versatility you may need.
And guys, as you already know, you can find all of these three lifts in jmcautomotiveequipment.com. Thank you, Aaron.
Thanks for coming.